What are you doing, homie?
Bear tracks. They put it in there. It's pretty cool.
Those aren't bear tracks. I've seen that track.
Is it?
That's fake track.
Yeah, I know. Feather Falls Casino, everybody. Here we go. Walking tour. Feather Falls Casino. Updated 2025. Follow me. Casino. Walking in. Security standing up there at the front. They didn't let me in here. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Wow. Nice. I haven't been here in a year. Here we go. That was the front entrance. Smokefree Gaming right next door here. Let's check out the Smokefree Gaming here. So entered in through the front entrance, made a right, Smokefree Gaming. Action Dragons. Arena like this game. I'm gonna tell her to come play this one later. Ultimate Fire Links. That's a whole bank of Ultimate Fire Links. Feather Falls Casino Brewing Company right here. See what's on the menu. Got brunch, bacon and eggs, butcher omelet. Whoa. It is pretty dark in here. Oh wow, he didn't get it. He's cussing. Oh man. Yeah, a lot of different newer games here I haven't seen. Oh, they got a player's card over here, player's area. They got a snack area over there. Press your luck. They got this little hidden room over here too, I remember. One of the Game Kings. Shadow of the Panther. This little room reminds you of El Cortez. Press your luck. You got a little bar and snack area right here. This is where we'll be hitting up before we go to the buffet. They got the Tiki Rising game. your bank of dragon links. Oh, nice win for a $1 bet. All right, it's a good sign. We'll crisscross through these aisles real quick and we'll go up that level, the escalators. Get to see what it looks like. Big pig game. Dancing drums. Never had luck with dancing drums. Fortune pots. Regal riches. Alright. I'm gonna go up to the second level. I think that's where the... I don't know what is on the second level. Follow me. Buffalo Power Pig. Lodge and lounge is up here. Lodge and lounge. So I guess over here is where the lounge. Hi, how are you? Oh, I'm just browsing around. Yeah, lounge and lodge. Is that where the hotel is?
Yeah, so it's just around the corner. Make it right up there.
Nice, nice. Thanks. Let's take a look here. I'm gonna do a short video real quick. Feather Falls Casino. Updated walking tour coming soon. Alright, let's go to the rest of the casino. This is the non-smoking section. Alright, let's go check out the smoking section. Finish the smoking section. Fortune triple link. They have a lot of 3 reels here. Oh, check. Top dollar, pinball. Look at all these 3 reels. Holy snaps. Dollar store. Regal Riches. Planet Moolah. Oh, they have table games here. Look at that. Actually, I'm gonna finish walking over here because I'm gonna exit the garage to go back to the car. Rain is still sitting in there. Cause she said that when I do walking tours, she likes to start playing slots without me, and that's not a good thing. We got to get it all on camera for everybody. That's the front entrance. Big ass Wheel of Fortune.
Welcome to Jumanji.
Jumanji. I remember Regal Wheel of Fortune High Roller was right there before. Let's take a look over here. Did I look over here yet? Oh, alright, cool. Phoenix Links. Table games. Looks like it's all card games. Let's cross over here. All mommy. ultimate fire lanes. And then over here, it looks like it's called the Dreamcatcher Buffet. I wonder how much it is. Let's just cross over to the other side so that I can finish up this walk-in tour. Ultimate Texas Hold'em. It's a minimum bet on table games is $5. Black Diamond Deluxe. I think we should play that game. Somebody said on our live stream that we should play that game.
It was such a wonderful party. It never lasts long.
And I do not want to walk by the cashier. All right. So parking garage is over here. So let's walk over here. We have Lion Link. Should try Lion Link later. Let's go see how much the buffet is today. Buffet today is $19.99. That's not bad. $20 buffet. Nice. They got a whole bank of this Cashman Bingo game. Have you ever tried playing this game? It's a chasing game. It's so bad. Takes a lot of money away from you. I'm surprised there's not a lot of people playing a Dragon Link's. Dragon Link's empty. Even Lightning Link. They probably like to play all the newer games over here. Get the whole buffalo sense in here. What's over there? Lightning Link. I don't think we played here last time we were here. We just did a walking tour. Walking by. We're gonna try our luck though and see how we do. Ooh, we got drinks, self-serve drinks. I gotta get myself a black coffee. Only way to go. Black coffee. So, if anybody seen our video before, I have not had any energy drinks in over a year, and all my coffee has been no sugar, no creamer, straight black. Let's see how this tastes. Oh, it's good here. Doesn't have a bad taste to it. Over here is the Bow and Arrow Lounge by the garage. Nice little performance area, stage. You got your blackjack, keno, game kings on the counter there. Beer on tap right as you walk in from the garage. That's about it, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Way to go. Try our luck now. All right. Thanks for tuning in. We're out.